have the Minecraft end. And I have a world that I've already beaten the Ender Dragon, because it's gonna take too long to do that in the video. I forgot I was already in here, in the end. As you can see right here, this is a bedrock thing. I don't really know what it's called though. These are end portal pieces, things. I don't know what they're called either. Those Endermen are annoying. And when you beat the Ender Dragon, if you want to get it back, you use End Crystals. What do I not need? Okay, I don't need end portals. You place them in these exact places. Okay, here. One here. That also makes noise. One here, and lastly, one here. Then it puts all of these glitchy things and also Ender Dragon noises. I use a bow to get these end crystals out because I'm not gonna fly to all of these towers. And now there's the Ender Dragon. I also have an Elytra on me, so I can do this. I don't know why I'll be needing to do that. Oh yeah, I just remembered. Because of these in those gate things. Right. And for that. Here, okay. So, if you want the dragon to stay down there, you will have to destroy all of these. I also don't like this Elytra, so I'm just gonna fly like this. Oh, I fell. Here. I just did some damage to the Ender Dragon. And if you guys did not know, the Ender Dragon can just fly through this obsidian. The obsidian pillars. As you can see, I cannot. So, yeah, and that is loud. Or the fire is, for me. If you guys can tell me which one of these is bigger. That one over there, or this one here. They both look big. So, the way to beat the Ender Dragon is to destroy these first, so the Ender Dragon can't heal. As you can see this glitchy beam thing, and it heals the Ender Dragon. As you see on the top of my screen, the Ender Dragon bar, the boss bar that says Ender Dragon with capital E and capital D. As you can see, it's back to the max pinkish purple stuff. That's the Ender Dragon's health. Before it was a bit down, but now the Ender Dragon now the Ender Dragon healed. Also, an Elytra makes a cool sound. I don't know that. And boom. And these end crystals if they're in these things, then they explode like the top part. I don't know why they have to do that, but they do. And as you can see right here, look at this part of the bedrock. This is bedrock. In survival mode you can't break it, but in creative mode you can just one-click it. And it gets turned back to this. I don't know why this elytra isn't working, and I'm flying. Oh, it's working. Whoop. And I just flew past it. Don't do that. I didn't even hit it. What? Huh? Finally. As you guys can see, it did some damage to the Ender Dragon. You can see on the boss bar, at one point it's a bit more purple. Also, I don't think I'll be able to finish beating the Ender Dragon in one video. I don't know if I'm gonna make a part 2 or not. I don't think I will. But I only have 15 minutes to do this. So, yeah. I mostly hit the Ender Dragon's feet. It keeps flying. What? Bows also make sounds, as you heard. Oh, I did some damage. Perfect. Where is it? There. Okay, I'm not good at aim, so I hope you don't mind. As you see. Look. Yeah. Oh, there's the Ender Dragon. I don't know what's wrong with these arrows. And I don't know what's wrong with the Ender Dragon. And I don't think I have arrows in my inventory. Yes, I don't. In creative mode, you don't need the arrows for bows. In survival mode, you do. And I don't know how these fires are still here. Where's the Ender Dragon? Yep. Up there. Ender Dragon, come down, please. Okay, what? How do I hear that Ender Dragon from here? Oh, yes. Damage. Great. Also, I don't know why potions deflect off of the Ender Dragon. That didn't splash me. Never mind. Okay. Endermen are really annoying. And that Ender Dragon isn't coming. Good. Oh, I flew backwards. Okay. And I just got 2 hits. Please. What is that? Where is that Ender Dragon? Do you hear why I think the Endermen are very annoying? Yes. And this Ender Dragon is also annoying. Its hitbox is somewhere at its leg. I don't know why, though. When the Ender Dragon comes back, I'll show you that the Ender Dragon just reflects potions. I don't know why I just splashed the torch. I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay. Get back here, Ender Dragon. Should, yep, when it goes through there, it's back. Here, it just deflects. What? I don't know why it does that, but it does. The Ender Dragon's health is at the end. It's at the G now. So that means we're almost halfway. And there's also a tallest one of these pillars. If you didn't know, there is a tallest one of these pillars. I call them pillars. I don't know what they're actually called. Or obsidian pillars. Is this one the tallest? This one's the tallest? Or this one's the tallest? Oh, the Ender Dragon's back. I guess we're halfway at the Ender Dragon's health, but we're more than halfway in this video. Oh, pfft, I just shot the Ender Dragon mouth. And it's going away again. Good. I'm very bad at aim. Right. Is this Ender Dragon gonna come back? I do not know. Like, this Ender Dragon is making lots of noises and it's coming back. I only got one hit. Oh, I think there's like quarter health of the Ender Dragon left. But there's less than quarter of this video left. Also, these end gateways are also opened. 3 of them actually. Why? Because I've defeated the Ender Dragon 3 times. I just did it like I did it without making a video of it because I don't know why they would make a video of that. But this Ender Dragon is really just flying away. I have about 2 more hits. Come here. Yay! It also plays this cool Ender Dragon dying music stuff. And here. It drops lots of XP, which I don't think I'm gonna collect in this video. And I hit the egg. Actually, I think the egg just doesn't come anymore because I already got it. Do I still have the egg in my... No. You can also get it using commands with /give. Here, I'll show you how to get the Ender Dragon egg. Also, I don't know why I have a big Minecraft name. I'll do @s because I'm not going to spell that giant name. Use your Shift+2 to get this. I don't know why I'm typing in capitals. No space. Don't add space. S space. Where is it? Okay. I don't know why Endermen make that sound. And I don't know how to get the Ender Dragon egg. If you guys see it, tell me, but I'll have to stop the video here because it's been our 15 minutes. If you guys can tell me what command to actually use, then put it in the comment section below. Or I guess you don't have to, but you can, because I don't know the command and I'll have to stop the video here. Bye!